Welcome to Know the Truth. Today we'll discuss about Super El Nino. It is all over news nowadays. The question is, what is Super El Nino? So, before we understand Super El Nino, we need to understand what is El Nino. El Nino एक फेनोमेना है जो पैसिफिक ओशन में जनरेट होता है. If you see this map, you can see here this side is South America, and here we have Peruvian coast, and if you see this side we have Australia towards the northeast of Australia. It's a part of a Pacific Ocean. Okay, आप देखेंगे तो Peruvian coast की तरफ the ocean water is cool, so there is high pressure. And when you look towards the northeast of Australia, the ocean water is warm, so there is low pressure area. Okay, and usually air travels from high pressure to low pressure, and the ocean currents also follow the same pattern. Okay, जब ये फेनोमेना होता है तो एक्चुअली ये एक नॉर्मल ज्योग्राफिकल फेनोमेना है एंड दिस इज नोन एज सदर्न ऑसिलेशन. और जब सदर्न ऑसिलेशन एग्जिस्ट करता है दैट मींस there will be normal monsoon in Asia. In India, there will be timely rainfall and enough rainfall. Okay. Now, what happens? This geographical phenomenon it reverses. ये reverse हो जाता है. और इसका कोई डेफिनेट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम भी नहीं है. शायद ये 2 साल बाद रिवर्स हो जाए, शायद ये 4 साल बाद, 6 साल बाद या 8 साल बाद रिवर्स हो जाए. तो जब भी ये रिवर्स होता है तो होता क्या है, टुवर्ड्स द पेरुवियन कोस्ट द वाटर गेट्स वार्म एंड टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्थ ईस्ट ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया द वाटर गेट्स कोल्ड. So towards Australia now there is high pressure and towards the Peruvian coast there is low pressure. Now what happens, there is reversal of wind system and obviously the ocean currents also follow. They flow backward. Now this brings lot of rainfall towards the California coast and the Peruvian coast. ये region flooded हो सकते हैं and this is what is happening nowadays in USA and Peruvian coast. Now if ये generate हो गया that means this is El Nino. And when El Nino is generated, that means there will be delayed and less rainfall in Asia. So obviously in India we'll have less and delayed rainfall. Now the question is, what is Super El Nino? Now अगर हम पिछले El Ninos का रिकॉर्ड देखें और उसका एवरेज निकालें और ये एवरेज अगर 2 डिग्री सेल्सियस या इससे ज्यादा हो गया, that means Super El Nino is generated. Now I'll show you a simple formula here. You can see we have here Tahiti, an island in Pacific Ocean, and then we have Darwin. That's the island towards north of Australia. Now what happens? The scientists they keep a record of the atmospheric pressure of both these islands, Tahiti and Darwin, and they simply subtract the atmospheric pressure of Darwin from Tahiti. That means T minus D. और अगर ये difference positive में आया, that means there is a normal phenomena, southern oscillation, and there will be normal and timely rainfall in Asia, obviously in India also. But अगर ये difference negative में आया, मतलब El Nino generate हो गया, and there will be reversal in the wind system, reversal in the flow of the ocean currents. और अगर ये difference पुराने El Nino के एवरेजेस से 2 डिग्री सेल्सियस ज्यादा है या उससे ज्यादा है, that means Super El Nino is generated. And Super El Nino, it has got long-term impacts, you can see. Now how does it affect India? Obviously एशिया को अफेक्ट कर रहा है तो इंडिया को भी करेगा. There will be less rainfall, and if there is less rainfall, agriculture is going to suffer. Food production will suffer, so rise in the prices of the food, and then due to less rainfall, there will be water and power crisis, and obviously chronic heat waves across the nation. So it has got enormous impact. Now what's the impact on the world? Now, as we saw earlier, there will be droughts in some regions, so there will be floods in some regions like USA and Peruvian coast. Then it may lead to intense climatic chaos. We can say lot of chaos can be there. Like it can disrupt the weather pattern. It can lead to record breaking high temperature. So this Super El Nino is going to have enormous impact on the global, we can say, climate patterns. And I hope you understood what is Super El Nino, what is El Nino, and what is Southern Oscillation. So thank you very much. This is all for today.